Hello, and welcome to Korky Toilet Repair. Today, we are going to install your new Korky Adjustable 2-inch flush valve and tank to bowl gasket kit. The first step is to shut off the water supply to your toilet. Flush and hold the lever down to drain the water from your tank. Sponge out the remaining water in your toilet tank. Place a bucket underneath your toilet tank to catch any excess water. Disconnect your water supply line. Locate and remove all old nuts, bolts, and washers from the toilet tank. Carefully lift up on the tank and remove it from the bowl. Remove the old tank to bowl sponge gasket. Remove the old mounting nut and pull the old flush valve and flapper out of the toilet tank. Place your new Korky flush valve into the toilet tank. Hand tighten the mounting nut. Place the new red sponge gasket over the mounting nut threads. Carefully set the tank onto the bowl. Use the new bolts, rubber washers, and hex nuts included in the packaging to attach the tank to the bowl. Apply downward pressure to keep the tank level as you tighten the nuts in an alternating fashion until the tank is stable. Do not over-tighten the nuts. Doing so may cause the porcelain to crack. Next, set the height of the flush valve. Loosen the lock nut and extend the overflow tube until the top of the overflow tube is 1 inch below the flush lever nut. Then, hand tighten the lock nut. Attach the clip onto the black refill tube and attach it to the overflow tube. Then, attach the flapper chain to the flush lever with minimal slack. Reattach the water supply line. Turn the water supply on to complete your installation. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your new Korky Adjustable 2-inch flush valve and tank to bowl gasket kit. Thank you for choosing Korky.